I want all eyes on the board at 3. I want all eyes on the board at 2. I want all eyes on the board at 1. So I saw the right answer in right places, right? And I saw an incorrect answer in other places, right? I want to let you guys know right now, I saw somebody, they said -5 went here, and then the next line they drew was here. Hey, give me a, oh wait. Give me a strong hand if you feel like this is the right answer. Give me a strong hand if you feel like this is the wrong answer. Give me a strong hand if it's the right answer. Give me a strong hand if it's the wrong answer. Hey, Julian, what makes you say, we're tracking Julian, what makes you say that this is incorrect? Because the 5 is on the 2? Oh, well, that was just marking how that is. Any other strong hand? Why is this wrong? Jayla, why do you think this is wrong? Tracking, Jayla. Tracking, Jayla. Go ahead. Hey, this is talking about money, right? If you owe somebody $5, right? And you get $5 more, you can't just have another 5 go up there. Now, over here, we have to start from where we're at prior. So at first, we lose that $5, and then we gain the 5. That means we're moving this way or that way. Show me with your hands. Moving this way, right? Now, give me a strong hand if you're able to give me give me a strong hand on your paper if you have an addition expression for this. Like if I look at your paper, you have something in there for the addition expression. Give me a strong hand. Cool, Alasia, what'd you get?
I did -5. Plus 5.
You said
5 plus -5.
So wait, Alasia, you said 5 plus -5. Hey, all eyes up here, 3. All eyes up here, 2. All eyes up here, 1. Hey, I like 80% of Alasia's answer. She has solid parts, but there's something we can tweak to make it better. Parker, what can we tweak to make it better? So, hey, Omarion, why would... Okay, so this was Alasia's.
Wait, no, that's the other.
And Parker's saying we should instead... Alright, he said... Alright, hey, Omarion, why would Parker say this is the correct answer over Alasia's?
Because it say first motive lose $5, so you gotta start with -5, and then that's where that you go with the parentheses, so that way the minus and the plus will be together.
Hey, in this case, I'm gonna steal that first sentence you said. I do like the fact that you're talking about adding parentheses to separate those. We are gonna do that. But the key point that I want to pull out of Omarion's statement is the fact that we lost that number first. So when we're writing our expression, we have to show that we are losing it first. For our number sentence, hey, tell me all together. What was that missing piece that we needed to make it a number sentence? We needed what kind of symbol? Dejanay, what kind of symbol do we need? Huh? Do we need an addition symbol? What do we need to make this a number sentence?
Equal sign.
An equal sign. What do we need, y'all? An equal sign. Whatever equals, I'm sure y'all getting a hint, but we're gonna come at you later. Alright? Now here's what I need from you. Everybody turn to number 3. Everybody turn to look at number 3. Everybody turn to look at number 3. If you have questions about the math, I'll come to individual in a moment, let me get this. Okay. Hey, eyes up here, 3. Eyes up here, 2. Eyes up here, 1. I need all eyes from sector 4. Thank you so much, Parker. Thank you, Peyton. Thank you, Brianna. Thank you, Brittany. Thank you, Brianna. Hey, number 3, I want us to, number 3 and number 4, actually. I want to give us 2.5 minutes. How long?
2.5 minutes.
So, I want us to make sure all that's on our desk is just math stuff. and we have 2.5 minutes with our partners to do number 3 and number 4. Capiche? Capiche? 2.5 minutes. Go. Shout out Sophia and Sky for being productive, getting the meeting started. I like the way. Shout out Parker for using his vertical number line.
Down. It says opposite, but you got it. This one.
Okay. So we have here. Okay. Remember, you're doing number 3 and number 4 in this time period. You have another minute 30. You have another minute 30. You should be wrapping up problem 3 and getting on to problem 4. So whenever like you have a lesson, you have another minute 2. And I'm going to put it like plus minus, plus, and then we want to make it like negative 5. What source for this? So start at 0, and then go up like an elevator. Goes down. Oh, you want to go back still? So you'll be going, so Julian came back, Joshua came back, and you'll be going next, okay? Josh is back, so you can go after the problem. Kiddos, you have less than a minute left. You have 40 seconds left. Well, you gotta show me up, and then you gotta show me down. It was having the other problem. Remember, y'all, you should be wrapping up problem 4 at this point. You should be wrapping up problem 4 at this point. There. You have another 20 seconds.
You can go to the back of there.
You have another.
Can I get the book back?
I like the video so far.
If you hear my voice, stop once. If you hear my voice, stop twice. If you hear my voice, stop 3 times. If you hear my voice, stop 3 times. I'm pretty loud. I'll try that again. If you hear my voice, stop 3 times. I was walking around and I saw a lot of good work for problem 3. I saw a lot of us start problem 4. Remember, we're trying to have that TIA ready pacing, right? We want to be able to get most of these done quickly and efficiently. Hey, do me a favor, Parker. Can you come up here, boss? Can you fill this in with what you have? Because I really like the work he showed. Can we give 2 snaps to Parker on 2? 1, 2. I really like the work that he showed, and he was very, very, very efficient on problem 3. If you could just fill out, Parker, here's a marker. Here's a marker. Go ahead and fill out this, and then just your number expression. I'm going to go ahead and, go ahead, boss. You good? I'm sorry, amigos. Do me a favor. First things first, I need all abstracted Parkers on board, because if your board doesn't look like Parker's, it means you got to do something. Sorry, if your paper doesn't look like the board that Parker's working on, you got to fix something. So make sure you're tracking Parker's stuff. Notice how when Parker was asked for an opposite action, when he was given that sentence, that description, he also wrote in another full sentence. Give me a thumbs up if you also got those numerical values. Okay. All right, thank you so much. And then hold up. I'm gonna let it go a little bit more for that. Yeah. Hey, his addition expression that he ended up writing was 12 plus negative 12. Give me a thumbs up if you also had that. Give me a thumbs up if you also have that. Now his number sentence is going to be different, barring one more addition to that expression, right? Hey, before Parker even shows us, Parker, stand in front of your hands real quick. Before Parker even shows us, give me a strong hand. What's Parker going to end up writing for his number sentence? Joshua.
12 plus
Parentheses.
12.
I'm sorry, hold up, Josh. I'm waiting on 100% of our peers to respect your voice. We should be tracking Josh. We should be tracking Josh. Go ahead, Josh. What's the expression that Parker's going to have on this board?
12 plus percentage.
Parentheses. Hey, can someone say parentheses?
Parentheses.
Josh, will try to get it.
Parentheses. 12 minus.
Pause. 12 plus what?
Percent.
Parentheses. What's in the parentheses, boss?
12. No. Negative?
Negative what?
Negative.
So that's what we have our expression, right? Thank you, Josh. Let's build on Josh's answer. What's the addition that we need to have on there? Go ahead. Hey, Peyton, what do we need to add to that expression to make it a number sentence? I need all eyes up here in 3. I need all eyes up here in 2. Parker, you can say you're on box now. Hey, I need all eyes up here in 1. I need all eyes up here in 1. I don't have all of us. I don't have all of us. I don't have all of us. I'm waiting on sector 4. Thank you so much, sector 3. Hey, think in your head real quick. Don't say it out loud. Don't say it out loud. Think in your head real quick. What did we say earlier was the difference between an expression and that number sentence or equation? Think in your head. Think in your head. When I say go, you're going to say it out loud. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so let's go ahead. Hey, Peyton, real quick. What do we need to add to this number, to this expression to make it a number sentence? An equal sign. So Parker ended up writing in his expression with that equal sign. Now, eyes up here at 3. Eyes up here at 2. Eyes up here at 1. I need all eyes in the back. Hey, I'm going to have us do the one more problem, and then we're going to actually fill in the what. Sorry. I'm going to have us do one more problem, and then we're going to actually fill in what each of these number sentences is equal to. So, go ahead and turn to number 4 real quick. Is it about the math or is it something personal?
Math.
I can come to you after fully okay? Go to number 4 real quick. Go to number 4 real quick. Go to number 4 real quick. Hey, we should have already had this part done, but I'm going to give us some grace. No grace? No grace? Never mind, no grace.
Grace.
You should have already had this part done. So for number 4, oh no, my name on out. Jeez Louise, amigos. 5, 4. Give me a strong hand if you have number 4 completed. Okay, amigos. Next time, we gotta make sure we're efficient with what we're doing, right? But raise your hand. Keep the strong hand up if you are finished with number 4. I'm gonna give bonus dollars to the fellows that were finished in that pasting that I set. So that was Ango, Sophia, Malaysia, Damari. If I look at your paper, you don't have it done. Number 4, nice, Damari. And so that's Damari. Whoa, y'all, I can't write everything. Actually, Mr. Moore, can you write these names down if you don't mind? I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you right now. Alright, amigos. Okay, put your hand down for now. We're going to move on to another part of the lesson, but we'll look back at your number 4. We are done with that part. Here's where I need us to go. Go to where it says absolute value on page 13. Thank you so much. On page 13. Go to where it says absolute value on page 13. On page 13. On page 13. All right. I need eyes up here 3. I need eyes up here 2. I need pencils in your hand. Get your eyes up here 1. Hey amigos. The first part of this says to plot a point of the number line, and then plot a second point as opposite value. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to plot a number and its opposite. 3, you should be having your pencil moving. 2, plot those 2 points. 1 and 0. Shout out Derek for getting that done. Alrighty, so here's what we're going to say. Any number and its opposite. Hey, me personally, I like. Oh wait. Go ahead. Hey, I like the number -8. 8. Anybody else pick 8? Anybody else pick 8? Nice. It wasn't a right answer or anything like that. I just like the number 8. Now, I need eyes up here. 3. I need eyes up here. 2. Thank you, Parker. Thank you, Mario. I need eyes up here. 1. I need eyes up here. 0. Thank you, Tristan. Thank you, Xavier. Hey, amigos. When we're finding the absolute value, I'm gonna pause real quick because, man, I was talking to Ms. King, right? And she said that she already taught y'all this, what absolute value was. Give me a strong hand if you remember what absolute value was. Or if you have like an inkling, like it sounds familiar. Give me a strong hand if you remember what absolute value was. Hey, tracking Xavier real quick. Everybody tracking Xavier. I appreciate you, though, but I appreciate your effort and energy. Tracking Xavier real quick. Everybody tracking Xavier. Tracking Xavier. Hey, Xavier, what in the world is absolute value? Save me some breath.
Absolute value is the offset of the negative number.
Let's build on what he's saying. I like 60% of that. Do we agree or disagree? Amigos, do we agree or disagree? Kinda, sorta. Hey, tracking Brianna. Tracking Brianna. Tracking Brianna. We are tracking Brianna. Brianna, what do you remember absolute value as? So the opposite. Hey, I need eyes up here at 3. I need eyes up here at 2. I need eyes up here at 1. Hey, the next person I ask for this, when you give me your definition of absolute value, I want you to use the word distance. Okay? Give me a strong hand to give me a definition of absolute value using the word distance. Poor for your interaction, level 2. Thank you, Mr. Fixit. Hey, tracking Sophia in 3. Tracking Sophia in 2. Tracking Sophia in 1. I'm already on head up. Tracking Sophia. I'm sorry, Sophia. We're waiting on a couple of sectors to be tracking you. Go ahead, Sophia. What is absolute value? I'm sorry. Wait, hold up. Go ahead, Sophia. I'm sorry, Sophia. We're waiting on 100% of us to be tracking you in silent. We are tracking. Huh? Can you go sit down, please, guys? Hey, Sophia, go ahead. Try it one more time. It's all good. Hey, go ahead, try one more time. Tracking, Sophia.
The number that is closest to 0
Hey, amigos. Look at that real quick. Let's come together real quick. I want to have a little bit of a motion. Hey, amigos, I need all eyes up here at 3. I need all eyes up here at 2, 1, 0. Hey, I'm going to ask you the question first and then we'll find it. Hey, I have a -8 up here and I have an 8. Give me a strong hand. What is the absolute value of -8? Hey, turn and talk to the person next to you. Just tell them the absolute value of -8 real quick. Come back in 3. Come back in 2. Come back in 1. Come back in 0. Amigos, I need eyes up here now. Thank you, Jayla. Thank you, Peyton. Thank you, Leland. Hey, Zoe, what's the absolute value of negative 8?
8.
So, Zoe's saying it's positive 8. Do we agree or disagree? So, Zoe's saying the absolute value. Hey, give me a thumbs up if you remember these bars. Okay, so we're saying the absolute value of negative 8 times 8. Hey, let's pause. Zoe, how did you get that oh wait. Amigos? I'm sorry. Go ahead, Warren, yeah.
So we said the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. So I am asking a question, and you guys are going to do a turn and talk with your neighbor. What do you notice about the value of negative 8 and 8 that is on this number line? What do you notice about the value of 8 and negative 8 on the number line? When I say go, you're going to turn to your shoulder partner and talk for 30 seconds. Ready and go.
No, not mine.
No.
Kiddos, back up here, 3. Eyes up here, 2. Eyes up here, 1. I need eyes up here, 0. Thank you, Leland. Thank you, Parker. Thank you, Derek. I need eyes up here, 0. Hey, Peyton, what do you notice what do you notice between negative 8 and 8? So Peyton, this is between negative 8 and what?
8.
Okay. So you're saying, let's build on that. Let's build on that a little bit. Let's build on that a little bit. See, what do you notice between? Okay, pause. Amigos, I need all eyes on me, like ASAP, right now. Thank you, Second 2, for doing that. Thank you, Second 3. Amigos, the absolute value of a number, tell me real quick. It's the distance of a number to what?
0.
So I'm seeing this. Hey, absolute value is the distance of a number to what? Demetrius, absolute value is the distance of a number to what?
0.
Hey, pause. Hey, Kingston, what is the distance? What is the distance from 8 to the number 0? Tell me, what is the absolute value of 8? What is its distance to 0?
Wait. It's negative 8.
No, from 8 to 0.
8.
Time out. If you hear my voice stop once. I'm pretty loud. Try it again. If you hear my voice stop once. Hey, amigos, what is the absolute value of 8? Tell me out loud.
Negative 8.
What is the absolute value of 8? Hey, Kingston. What is the absolute value of 8?
Negative 8.
Kiddos, back up here, 3. I'm sorry. Back up here, 3. Back up here, 2. Back up here, 1. Shout out Sector 1. Shout out Parker. Shout out Sector 3. Hey. So we said the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. The absolute value of positive 8 is what again?
8.
It's positive 8, right? Hey, amigos. Look up on the board. Take 10 seconds, just in your head. What do you notice about those two absolute values? Look at them, 10 seconds in your head. Think in your head. Do me a favor. Take the next 15 seconds. Talk to the person next to you. Make sure you're on the same page. What do you notice? Absolute values are both. Yeah, my markers are bad. is negative 8? 8? That's it. That's the same or different? Same, right? If your homework stop once, if your homework stop twice, if your homework stop 3 times. Oh my gosh, my markers are booty butt garbage. If your homework stop once, twice, 3 times. I'm sorry if you could not see, but these are in fact both the number 8. Hey Joshua, what did you notice about the absolute values of these two opposite numbers? I'm sorry, we are tracking Joshua. Joshua, go ahead. Joshua, go ahead.
I just knew that it's both the same. No, same. Yeah.
Hey, do we agree or disagree? Are they the same?
Probably so.
Hey, eyes up here in 3. Thank you. Eyes up here.